buddy, you just told me that you won the Stanley Cup? Fantastic. Why don't you tell me about it?
Well, let's see. Well, there's one thing that I'm really excited about because because my team is going to live here now. But here's the sad news because, well, my team's family died in the hockey game, but...
Wait a second. You won the Stanley Cup. During the game, your team's family died?
Yeah.
So they're all going to live here now?
Yeah.
How did everybody's family die?
Well, see, the Devils killed them.
Is that who you were playing in the Stanley Cup, the Devils?
No, I was playing I was the Flyers and everybody, and the good guys were the Flyers and...
Gracie, stay here, honey. It's raining.
And...
Grace, come.
And so we packed the little lunch up for...
Okay, wait, you're getting sidetracked. How did the players' families die?
I just told you the Devils died.
The Devils died, so...
No, I just told you the fam. You know how the families died?
How? Tell me how they died.
They got some separated by the Devils and.
You can't. It's raining out there. All right, go ahead. Go get rained on.
And so.
Don't you go down that driveway.
Boys and I scored and my team scored and except the family, but...
Okay, bottom line, a lot of people lost a lot of their families, and so all those people are going to come and live in our house?
Mm-hmm.
You think the whole entire team of the Flyers can fit in our house?
Oh, yes.
Where are they going to sleep?
They just told me they can't sleep.
They don't sleep ever?
Ever.
Are they all going to fit around our table? How are we all going to fit around our table to have dinner and breakfast and lunch?
Maybe I'll ask Gracie if I can borrow a few chairs.
You think Gracie has enough chairs for the whole entire Flyers team?
Yeah.
I think we need to think this over, buddy.
Well...
Maybe we should pray to Jesus that their family members come back. Don't you think they would miss their family members?
Mm-hmm.
This interview went really awry. I gotta go fetch your sister. She's out in the thunderstorm.
Okay.
Okay, Mikey Morse for the Flyers, signing off.
I'll go check on her.
Oh, okay, thanks. Gracie, we have to go inside. It's nap time. I don't like a nap time. Okay, well, let's go inside. It's thunderstorming. Although the rain and the wind feels really nice. Whee, here she comes. Gracie, come, honey. Good girl, thank you.
I'll take care of the bike.
Thanks, biggest.
I'll take care of the hockey stick.
The hockey stick and the bike, okay. Gracie, come on, sweetheart. I'll hold your hand. Gracie, Mikey, get it. Oh, this is not going to go well, I don't think. Oh, thank you, Lord. That went really well. Come on, Gracie girl. Okay. Oh, why are you getting all wet? Thanks, Bobo. Hey, why don't you go get your boomerang? Thanks, buddy. Let me see how you do jumping jacks. Yes, let me see you do 25 of those in a row. Oh man, I think you're short about 20. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh. Here, go get your beads, Grace. Gracie, let me see you do jumping jacks.
Grace.
Nice.
Grace. Put the bees down and go like this.
Oh my. Oh my.
Grace, like this. Put your hands up in the air and jump.
Good job, guys.
That's
High
me.
fives.
I'm going to do 3 in a row.
High five. High five, Bobo. Good job.
I'm going to do 3 in a row.
Okay. That was 7. Good job. High five.
Watch me do 3 in a row.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Okay, I'm exhausted. Let's go in.